नमस्कार। बोलो जय श्री राम।
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 आज के इस शुभ अवसर पर, वैसे तो दिवाली मिलन हमने नाम रखा है, तो काफी लोग मुझे ये भी बोल रहे थे कि भाई दिवाली तो हो गया। इश्यू ऐसा था कि हम सारे लोग कैंपेनिंग में बिजी थे बीजेपी के, तो हमको समय नहीं मिला। तो जैसे ही अपना कैंपेनिंग और रिजल्ट आ गया तो उसके बाद में हमने सोचा कि ये जो प्रोग्राम था जो हमको दिवाली के तुरंत करना था वो हमने थोड़ा सा पोस्टपोन कर दिया। अब मैं कोशिश करूंगा जितना भी हो सके हिंदी में बात करूं, बट वी आर ऑल कंफर्टेबल विथ इंग्लिश ऑल्सो, नो? या क्योंकि हिंदी और इंग्लिश ये दोनों को मिक्स करके थोड़ा बहुत बोलना पड़ेगा मेरे को, इतनी हिंदी तो आती नहीं है, फिर प्रयास करता हूं। As you're all aware, how many of you are from our SHS and H2H? Can you please raise your hands? Yeah. How many of you don't know about our organization SHS and H2H? Can you please raise your hands? Yeah. There are quite a number of people who are here, who I can say are the visitors for the day. We have this organization called Sanatan Hindu Sangh, which we started on 4 years back. Of course, there are so many organizations and who are doing a lot of Hindu work. When I realized that there are hundreds of them, and we have been also doing the same old repetitive thing what the other people do. So we thought of doing something else also other than doing the routine work. We started this branch of ours called H2H. This is Hindu to Hindu Business Networking Group. As we realized that we started with just handful of 3, 4, 5 people, but we grew tremendously. From 4 or 5 people, we grew up to 1800, and out of these 1800, there are almost 800, 900, 1000 people who are businessmen. And we thought that when so many are businessmen, why don't we have something for these people? And to motivate them, to sensitize these people, we started this H2H. And you will be happy that after we start, there are so many other organizations we have come with almost a similar name or almost the same thing, like sensitizing our Hindu businessmen. As a born Hindu, मैं जब छोटा था तो शायद मेरे माँ बाप ने पहले दिन से मुझे बोला था कि बेटा बड़ा हो, पढ़ लिख कर, आगे बढ़, कुछ काम कर, एंड यू हैव लाइफ। मतलब ऑल ऑफ माई लाइफ आई वॉज पॉसिबली, मेरा जो टीनेज था वो सारा पढ़ाई में खत्म हो गया, उसके बाद में जॉब में हो गया, उसके बाद में बिजनेस में हो गया। When I was doing all these things, there are so many people outside who are concentrating on their religion. कईयों लोग हैं जो 5 साल से अपने धर्म के बारे में सीखते हैं। At the age of 40 or 45, I realized that I had nothing to know. न मुझे कोई पुराण, न कोई शास्त्र, न रामायण, न महाभारत, जो थोड़ा बहुत सीरियल में देखा उतना ही मुझे मालूम था, उसके अलावा मुझे कुछ मालूम नहीं था। तो जब ये मेरा प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है तो शायद कईयों लोगों का प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है। We are possibly busy with only 3 things. As a born Hindu, we bother of 3 things. First, रोटी, कपड़ा, मकान। बराबर? चाहिए झूठे भाई? बचपन से हमको यही सिखाया जाता है कि बेटा पढ़ लिख कर कुछ बन जा तो तू रोटी कमाएगा, कपड़ा आएगा, शादी करेगा, एक बड़ा घर बना, एक बड़ी कार ले ले, एंड दैट्स इट। There are many of our businessmen who are running after the money since last so many years. किसी ने 0 से 100 करोड़ तक भी कर लिया है। मुझे I know many people who have done from 0 to 100 crores in the last 20 years, 25 years. But उसको उस 100 करोड़ को बचाने के लिए उसके पास कितने लोग हैं? सिर्फ 2 हाथ है, क्योंकि उसको एक ही लड़का है, या एक लड़की है, या एक लड़का एक लड़की है। तो मतलब 100 करोड़ प्रॉपर्टी तो बना ली, लेकिन उस प्रॉपर्टी को अपने कंधे पे उठाने वाले सिर्फ 2 हाथ है या 2 कंधे है, राइट, एक लेफ्ट। It's an alarming situation when we are busy with our roti kapda makan. Someone down the line, somewhere out of the street, he is busy making more and more and more people, producing more and more and more children. What will be the end result? The end result is one fine day they will all come to my house, kick me out of my house, and all my 100 crore rupees जो मैंने इतने साल कमाया वो सारा धरा का धरा रह जाएगा. मेरे को बचाने वाला कौन है सर? कौन है? मेरा भाई तो है ही नहीं और मैंने दोस्त बनाए नहीं. अब ये तो मैं नहीं बोल सकता मेरे माँ बाप को कि भाई आपने 15 बच्चे क्यों पैदा नहीं किए, 20 बच्चे क्यों पैदा नहीं किए. I can't tell that. So I have one more option, that I will make 15 good friends with me, जो मेरे हर काम में, मेरे हर बाधा में, हर मेरे प्रॉब्लम में मेरे साथ है. कैन वी नॉट डू दैट एटलीस्ट? मेरे एक फोन पे मेरा भाई तो है ही नहीं मेरे को, बट मैं 15 बांधवों को तो अपने साथ जोड़ सकता हूं. एंड हाउ डू वी डू दैट? एंड दैट इज व्हाई ऑल दीज business organizations raho ya all these Hindutwadi organizations, they are always emphasizing on only one thing, that is Hindu unity, that is Sanatan unity. Many people ask what is so Sanatani Hindu. I got 1 or 2 messages from our own group, are we eligible to come because I am a Jain? There are many people who got me because I am into this circle where there are a lot of Agarwal, Jain and all. And they have a very commonest problem, not realizing that Jains are part and parcel of Sanatan. How sad it is. How sad it is. There could be a lot of Buddhists who might say, I'm a Buddhist, what am I got to do with Sanatan? Isn't it? There could be so many of us who are feeling, there could be Sikh who might say that, no, I'm a Sikh, so why do I come to your organization? But please realize that all these are come from only our dharma, that is Sanatan Dharma. Whether it be Buddha or Guru Mahavir or anyone for that matter. We are just dividing ourselves, whether it is party A, party B, party C. It's only dividing the Hindus. From all these years it has happened and it is continuing to happen. Tell me one scheme, we have corporators over here, please give me one scheme which is universal for all the Hindus in India. One scheme, ₹1 का स्कीम मेरे को बोलो जिसके लिए हर हिंदू के लिए स्कीम है. Please don't tell me that there is a scheme for SCs, STs. No, I want one scheme, ₹1 scheme बस, which is only for Hindus. नहीं, इतने साल में मैंने पूरा रिसर्च किया, ऐसी कोई स्कीम नहीं है गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया की जो हर हिंदू के लिए है. But when it comes to others, it's only purely written as minority schemes. So everyone, there are 72 firqas now, everyone knows it through media. कि भाई मैं इनको ही दूंगा, उनको ही दूंगा, इनको ही दूंगा, वैसा नहीं है. वहां पर क्या लिखा जाता है? Any scheme, what is the written? Minority के लिए scheme है. There is no distinguish whether you could be A, B, C, any category. तो हम जब गवर्नमेंट ही हमको डिवाइड कर रहा है तो हम डिवाइड होंगे ही ना. So we have corporator madam here with us. I request to start at least one scheme which is universal for all the Hindus. Then only we will have that unity. Some scheme, some activity which is uniting all the Hindus. So it has been left to the organizations like us, Chote Bade, who are doing the things in their own way. But when a big political party supports us on pure Hindutva basis, yes, definitely there will be a big change. And I'm very sure, very confident with the present government that, I mean the central government, don't mistake me for the state government. We don't have much expectations from them. But we definitely have lot of expectations from the government that whatever that they do in the coming years, I'm sure they will do on a wholesome basis, which will include all the Hindus, whether it is Baniya or Marwadi or Brahmin or Gujarati, all the Jains, all the Buddhists, all the Sikhs together. Please consider us as one unit, one strong unit, and so that we will fight. थोड़ा सा अगर हमको सहयोग मिलता है सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट का, तो आई एम वेरी श्योर विल गो अ बिग लॉन्ग वे. आई थिंक वी हैव I've been given just 10 minutes and I have finished my 10 minutes of talk. But nevertheless, please realize that we are all one. Whatever is best is into your capacity. जो भी छोटा मोटा आप कर सकते हो कीजिए. सनातन हिंदू संघ is always there to support you. H2H Business Networking Group is there for all the businessmen. So आपके जो पहचान में है, आपके दोस्त है, please get them into our H2H and Sanatan Hindu Sangh. Thank you very much.